Alright, here I am in the laundry room. Now, the thing that gave me most success, let's see, so over here, toaster oven. Just like only had to do, I don't know, I think it's set on like 250. That seemed to help. Over there I did hot water, trying to do all kinds of things. Let me see if I get this tripod back. Okay. But what I was able to do, this trim tool, which I know it's a no-no, you know, with the metal, right? But man, I was struggling, dude. I was trying the plastic trim tools, I was trying everything. But the nice thing I was able to do here, I was able to get this, the bottom part resting on the bottom, so no fear of that. And it seems like it's more curved up on the top. So I was able to get it like right at the edge there and pry it apart. And that seemed to be the magic sauce, man, in my scenario. Now, I know that you're not supposed to do this, but I use metal. I'm Mr. No-No. You're right. I always do everything wrong. So now I was not able to get my piston out because it's all jammed in there, and I have never opened one of these before. So I'm just wiggling very carefully. I understand that there are springs that when this thing potentially shoots off, there could be springs shooting across the room, but my understanding is that upside down is the way to do this. I'm trying to very gently pry this thing apart. Again, this is my first one ever. And it appears a couple of the O-rings have fallen out of the outside position there. But I've got a bucket of water over there that I had been soaking this thing in. And I want to I'm not sure whether, you know, I'd first been soaking it in a can of Berryman carb cleaner. But I guess I don't want to lose any positional information yet. I'm thinking that, you know, all these little things, I don't know if any of that gets cleaned or what, but it's interesting. I mean, my real problem with this wasn't that the membrane was torn. It was more of an issue that it wouldn't flow at all because the piston got stuck. So I'm thinking that this center piston is probably what I need to push down, and it's still stuck. So you see it's up there. Oh, it's up there. I think that, I'm assuming, is this right here, and this needs to go back down. How to get that down without scratching or damaging anything, I don't know, but I'm guessing a paper towel would be fine. And grab one of these tools right here, this plastic thing, try to push it down. It is super stuck. That's stuck. That thing's supposed to move, and there's no movement. So I may have to come up with something that won't damage anything and knock that down, because I think that's not supposed to be there. Let's see. This looks like that could be about good size. Now, I get some padding on that so I don't scratch things up. Just like that. Let's see. Do anything? Nothing, man. That thing is jammed up. mega jammed. Yay, there's some action. All right. So now I guess this spring is supposed to be the only thing that pushes that piston down. Shouldn't take that much force. Something's wrong here. There's supposed to be that clip on the bottom to hold that thing in place. Is there something wrong? Just varnish in there could be it, huh? Really? It's interesting because I've got another one that's, you know, returning slowly. That does not flow, man. That does not flow. Maybe I'll get some action there. The nice thing here is that this cloth is going into those cylinder walls and covering up anything. So hopefully, you know, don't have to worry much about any damages in the cylinder walls there. It looks like my piston is finally coming out here. I'm gonna wipe off my fingers before I grab that thing. Finally, that is the plunger. Okay, that's a long video for me. Usually I don't take such long videos, but you know, I think that there's more to come apart here, and I'll take another video for that.